This 2022 Genesis G70 came in for paint correction and a ceramic coating, as well as some window tinting. So for the window tint, we applied our mid-grade black ceramic tint package, which blocks 60% infrared heat, and this we applied to all the side windows and the back glass. And this is in our North Carolina legal 35% tint shade, so it's not too dark, but it is the darkest legal we could put on there. And then we also applied our clear air ceramic on the full front windshield, which doesn't darken the windshield at all. It just offers 99% UV rejection and 68% infrared heat rejection. So these are a good option to pair together if you don't want to get our top level i3 ceramic, but you do want to get at least some heat rejection with your film. And then we completed a two-step paint correction on all the painted surfaces of the vehicle. This got out any light scratches or swirls in the paint, and this allows the ceramic coating to stick really well and makes the paint on the vehicle look really, really good, makes it shine, and brings it back to life a little bit. And we applied our 4-year ceramic coating after the paint correction, which is what gives it that extra gloss and shine. And ceramic coatings do not protect your vehicle from rocks coming up and chipping your paint. All it does is creates a hydrophobic layer on the surface of the paint to make the vehicle a lot easier to wash and maintain. And again, we do recommend hand washing your vehicle with ceramic coatings to keep from getting any of those swirls and scratches back in the paint from taking it through a car wash.